Welcome to this tutorial on installing Jupyter Notebook, launching it from a virtual environment in Anaconda, and setting up a project folder with a Python file. Let's get started. We have already created a virtual environment and installed all the necessary packages. Let's activate it by typing the command below. Since we are inside the virtual environment, we now need to install Jupyter Notebook. To do this, type the following command. Enter Y to proceed. This will install Jupyter Notebook within your virtual environment. Once the installation is complete, launch Jupyter Notebook by typing following command. Hit enter and Jupyter Notebook will open in your web browser. Here you'll see the Jupyter Notebook dashboard listing the files in your current directory. Let's organize our work by creating a new project folder. Click on the New button in the upper right corner and select Folder. This will create a new folder in the current directory. Rename the folder by selecting the checkbox next to it. Next, right-click on it and select Rename. Now type a name for your project, such as My First Project. Double-click on the folder and open it. Now let's create a Python file inside the project folder. Click New and select New Notebook from the drop-down. A new file will open. Now select Python 3 as the kernel. This is where you can start writing your code. You can rename this file and make any customizations you want by exploring the features in Jupyter Notebook. And there you go. You've successfully installed and launched a Jupyter Notebook in a virtual environment, created a project folder, and set up your first Python file. You're ready to begin coding.